Here they come! We wanted something that was enigmatic and connecting to the fans in the area. So for us, you know, if you see on the kit and the home kit, mountains are home. If you think of what Cavalry is in the location of, you know, Foothills MD and the surrounding areas of southern Alberta and Calgary, we wanted something reflective. That's where the white that comes across is the snow-capped mountains on that. But also, if you look at the Cavalry, we wanted to pay homage to the kit from last year, which has the swoosh across. But also for us, Calgary is red. Canada's red. Last year we were kind of red. This year we're really red.
I know how important it is to establish the connection between the players and the fans. And I think just on behalf of all the players, we promise to fight for you guys. We promise to leave every ounce of sweat, blood, tears, whatever we have on the pitch. And we can't guarantee success, but what we can guarantee is that we'll come damn close. All right, that's it.